Hello guys, welcome to another piano tutorial. So today I'm teaching you God of Everything by Nikita Viwe. Alright, so I play the song normally. I give you a full piano tutorial in the key of C, as I will play in the key of C, and the intro of the song seemingly is the same as that of Power Flow. Okay, so let's go. The first and the last, the beginning and the end, He lives forevermore. No one else can compare to the great and mighty King, ancient of days. The song we sing, the air we breathe, your belongs to you, God of everything. We praise your name, we shout for joy, and we say, God of everything, heaven and earth, and earth, we say, glory to the King, magnify His name. He is God, He's God of everything. So on that head, so on that head, so on that head. Oh, He's God of everything. He's God of everything. He's the one that head, He's the one that head, He's the one that head. Oh, He's God, He's God of everything. Alright guys, so that's kind of rundown of the song. It's a very simple one. In fact, it has a chord progression which is similar to Power Flow that we played last previous lesson. And so today, this is the intro. Alright, so it's seemingly different. So the intro is seemingly the same as that of Power Flow, but not the same. Alright, so this is, I think the Power Flow was like, so the intro is this. Mi do, mi do, mi do, mi do. Very simple. Mi do, mi do, mi do, mi do. Okay. While doing that, you are playing. You can play A minor with your left. Alright, that's the fifth, the first, and the third. Alright. So you can just play just one, that's just the sit, that's the A minor note, A note. Mi do, mi do, mi do, mi do, mi do. Okay, you go too far, you can play the chord, broken chord, F, C, and F, or the chord itself, F, A, and C. Alright, so Fado, Fado, Fado. Okay, so while doing that, you play fa, do, fa, do, fa, do, fa, do. Alright. Then now, so if I combine the two, alright, after that you go to C play, mi do, mi do, mi do, mi do, mi do. After now we come to G, you now play re, mi, re, ti, re, ti, re, ti, re, ti, re, ti. Alright. Then the second time, alright, because you can tune the second time you play. Alright. Do, 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 la, do, la, do, la. Do, la, do, la, do, la, do, la. Okay, you still play the same thing you played on F. Fa, do, fa, do, fa, do, fa, do, fa, do. Now, mi, do, mi, do, mi, do, mi, do. Re, ti, re, ti, re, ti. You can do that slowly. So that's all, guys. So I was using my index finger and my ring finger. Okay, so that's the two fingers I was using, all right, to play it with the right. All right, so even the chord progression, I said the intro itself gives the chord progression of the song. So the chord progression of the song is a 6 A minor, okay, 4 F major, okay, C major, okay, that's the first, 5 G major, and we go back to, okay, so that's it. So that's the chord progression. Okay, so he's the first and the last, so 6. He's the first and the last, he's the first and the last, 4, the beginning and the end, he lives forevermore, 5, alright? Alright, still go to 6, I always like to do this interval, alright? The beginning and no one else can compare, okay, to the great and mighty God, the ancient of days. Oh, the song we sing, the air we breathe, it all belongs to you. You can use inversions, you can use chords, passing chord. Okay, I was also using the 7. These are 7. C, do, so. Okay, that plays off. It's a wonder, hey. You can play like the intro. It's a wonder, hey. Guys, it's a very simple one. I hope you learned something, and please do wait to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.